Earning some extra cash while you sleep or sipping mimosas on the beach is a dream for most of us, and even for those who say it isn't are possibly lying. But is it actually possible to earn money without lifting a finger? A side hustle is a way to make money outside of your typical 9-to-5 job. It allows you to make extra money that'll give you the freedom to pursue your passions, buy things that you need or want, and lower any financial worries. Who couldn't use a little bit more money? Whether you're saving for a down payment, planning a vacation, trying to pay off a debt, will those student loans ever go away? Or putting some money aside for a rainy day, a little extra cash can go a long way. Your day job might assist you in paying for the essentials, but a side hustle from home, that's the game changer that'll make a difference in your wallet while giving you the freedom you've always craved. So here are the best 10 side hustles for passive income. You don't want to miss this. Number 10, crypto staking. Crypto staking is a means of growing your holdings in specific cryptocurrencies by using them to aid in verifying activity on an underlying blockchain network. When you stake a cryptocurrency, you get rewarded with more cryptocurrency. For most people, staking involves delegating your cryptocurrency to someone who is compiling records of transactions on the network on which it operates. These verifiers are required to put some tokens at stake to guard against fraudulent transmissions. By giving the voting power of your tokens to a reputable verifier, you can receive a share of the rewards they get for carrying out their job accurately. However, there is some risk. If the verifier you're working with is penalized, the same may apply to you. Also, staking sometimes needs you to commit your holdings for a set period, meaning you can't sell or trade them. It's crucial to note that staking is not available on all cryptocurrencies. Notably, Bitcoin does not support staking, but many crypto platforms have other reward programs that provide interest in cryptocurrencies through activities such as lending. Number 9, start a YouTube channel or podcast. Without mentioning YouTube as a possible source of passive income, where would we be? Well, it can take time to develop a sufficient audience to monetize your YouTube channel. You can make substantial revenue through advertisers and even affiliate marketing collaborations. The amount you can earn with YouTube varies depending on the number of subscribers, average viewers, engagement rates, and more. Many YouTubers expect around 1 to 3 cents per ad view for advertisement. Additionally, most YouTubers make money by asking for donations through Patreon. If YouTube isn't your cup of tea, you can also monetize a podcast by joining an advertising network, introducing paid membership tiers, selling sponsorships, or even selling premium episodes. Number 8, start freelancing. Does your 9-to-5 job pay vary? If you don't have a predictable income, you might require more money for some months and a little less for others. If this sounds like you should opt to take freelance gigs. The gigs could include ones you create on Fiverr or the occasional freelance project on Upwork. You might generate t-shirt mock-ups for a client one week and assist someone building their social media the next. The type of projects you work on could differ drastically. Still, if you love the variety and switching things up, this side hustle is perfect for you. How much cash can you make with this side hustle? You can make anywhere between $50 to $2,000 monthly, depending on the side gigs you work on and the platform you use. For instance, if you want to hit, say, an extra $1,000 a month, freelance writing is a side hustle that can allow you to reach your passive income goal. The secret to succeeding as a freelancer is to charge clients based on the value you'll bring. Most freelance workers undercharge, which leads to fast burnout with minimal payoff. Number 7, annuities. Annuities are insurance products that you pay for, but can then offer you passive income for life in the form of monthly payments. The terms with annuities vary and are not always a good deal, so it's best to consult a trusted financial advisor if you're interested in purchasing an annuity. Notably, these investments aren't for everyone. They can come with high fees or not be worth it. However, if you have zero risk tolerance for loss and are searching for a passive income stream, this could be a good potential idea for your portfolio. Number 6, private equity. Perhaps the original form of peer-to-peer lending, another common form of passive income is funding a private business you believe can generate future income. This might be investing in private equity funds for high net worth people, which are typically only available to accredited investors who meet particular net worth or income requirements. Another way is to back a family member, friend, or other trusted partner to fund their business with an agreement to gain returns from any future profits. But remember, no matter how large or small, investing in a single business is a very risky long-term bet. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Number 5, participate in affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves partnering with a brand to showcase and promote its products or services. You get a commission whenever someone follows one of your affiliate links to your partner's site. There are ways to utilize your affiliate marketing partnership to earn passive income. For instance, you could compile product reviews, write buying guides with links to the company's products, video unboxings, mention sponsors on your YouTube channel or podcast, and much more. To find the right company to become an affiliate for, you have to research and find a brand that matches your core values and your audience's needs. For example, there's no point in becoming an affiliate for a butcher if your blog's primary audience is vegans. Number 4. Selling information products. Selling information products might be the perfect option for you if you're looking for good side jobs to make money. For you to flourish, this side hustle requires some research, marketing skills, and invested time. Are there topics that are really hot right now that you know a lot about? Make money out of these opportunities by creating content around it. How much money you can earn by selling information products depends on the niche, marketing execution, and other factors. But a side hustle like this can make a few $1,000s each month. The key is to create multiple pieces of content, ebooks, courses, etc. that keep generating recurring income. Number 3. Selling photography online. Selling photography online might not be the most obvious place to set up a passive business, but it could allow you to scale your efforts, mainly if you sell the same photos repeatedly. To do that, you might work with organizations like Getty Images, Shutterstock, or Alamy. To begin, you'll have to be approved by the platform, and after that, you'll license your photos to be used by whoever downloads them. The platform then pays you every time an individual uses your photo. You'll require photos that appeal to a specific audience or represent a particular scene. Moreover, you'll need to tease out where the demand is. Photos should be shot with creative scenarios, models, landscapes, and more, or they could feature real events that might make the news. Number 2. Become a virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is an assistant who works in a remote location. They can assist with tasks such as administration, social media, bookkeeping, and more. There's been an increased demand for virtual assistants from business owners who need help on various projects. Virtual assistants specialize in countless areas. Many businesses worldwide rely on virtual assistants to grow and maintain their brands. Most virtual assistants trade their time for money, so you get capped based on the number of hours you can do weekly. You can opt to sell a total monthly earning or get paid by the hour. Some make minimum wage while others make $35 an hour, depending on their skill. Number 1. Develop an app. Developing an app could be a way to make the upfront investment of time and then reap the rewards over the long haul. Your app can be a game or one that helps mobile users perform some hard-to-do function. Once your app is public, users download it and you can earn income. An app has tremendous upside if you can design something that your audience fancies. You'll have to consider how best to generate sales from your app. For example, you can incorporate in-app ads or otherwise have users pay a nominal fee for downloading the app. If your app gains popularity or receives feedback, you'll probably have to add incremental features to keep the app relevant and popular. With that said, we've come to the end of our video. Which of the 10 side hustles for passive income fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments section. We hope you enjoyed our video and be sure to give us a thumbs up and share it. And also, subscribe to our channel and ring the notification bell to get notified when we upload new and interesting content. Until next time, goodbye.